Hi, I'm Noah, and today we're going to mess around with a 3D scanner. That's not my intro.
It's your new intro.
Thanks, editing cloud god thing. Anyways, so you're probably used to seeing me make good things that are perfectly polished, well executed, brilliantly done, and have had effort put into making them practical and useful. Alright, maybe they were all idiotic inventions. Today, however, we are going to 3D scan some random household objects and make an abomination. Let's get started. So, I started out by scanning this cat-themed teapot. His name's Mittens, and I think he's really cute. Not a solid start, but not a horrible start. Anyways, in the spirit of horrible starts, however, I've scanned the headset next. Oh boy. I think this scanner uses infrared sensors to determine distance, so mirrors do not like it. And this did not do too well. Next, I scanned this motor. It's from an old blender, and I just kind of had it lying around, so I scanned it. And here's the model. It's meh. I'm starting to think this scanner isn't really that effective for scanning things that aren't the size of a human head and the shape of a human head and a human head. So I tried to scan something bigger, because I thought maybe bigger objects would work better. So I scanned the robotic arm, and I got a pretty decent result, actually. The mess of cables at the bottom just didn't really translate, but the arm itself is in one piece, and it's pretty good looking. However, the next thing I scanned was the cardboard car from Winging It with Noah, and that, well, you can see how much of a mess it is. It does not look good at all. So I decided to scan one more thing, this beaded wire chicken. His name's Henry. I've had him for a while, and I quite like him. I had very low hopes for Henry here, because I thought, well, he's pretty much all holes. There is no way the scanner will pick him up. It's just going to be a mess. It'll be hilarious. It'll look very funny in the video. It'll be a great failure. And Henry was the best scan of the day. He actually looks really good. His legs are like mostly intact. His body's pretty perfect. The proportions are all right. It looks awesome. So anyways, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw all these models into TinkerCAD, mess around with them, plop them together, and try and make like a big Gundam mech out of random household objects, and print that out. So, let's do it. So, we're here in TinkerCAD, which is a very basic CAD software. Yeah, I don't even know if you can call it CAD software, but what it essentially is going to allow me to do is take all these objects here and kind of put them together in a completely meaningless way. I don't actually need to be doing any proper CAD here, I just want to make something horrific. Now, you know what Mittens needs is some arms. I'm going to add this arm to Mittens. Bring it up. Ooh, that is a good look. Let's make Mittens ride Henry. Mittens is an incredible little kitty cat. Henry needs some new feet, and this is where the car comes into play. I might need a base for all of this because I want this to be able to stand up. Like when I give my children this family heirloom, I want it to be able to sit on their mantelpiece as well as mine. I need to sign my artwork. Now all that's left to do is throw it on the printer and wait for this abomination to come to life. And after a 5-hour print, we're finally done. Here it is, not too shabby looking. It's a bit of an abomination, but we knew this before we printed it. If you're interested, there's a full 10-minute CAD video in the description if you are interested in watching me slowly lose my sanity over the course of building this monstrosity. I will also be posting the STL in the description as well. I'm not sure why you'd want it, but if you too want a lovely family heirloom to give your future children, then I suggest this is the perfect gift. It's a great gift for anyone in your life, really. Teachers, grandmas, children, significant others, uncles, people you just met on the street. Really, everyone can accept the beauty and artistry of this incredible creation. In all seriousness though, 3D scanning does require a bit more skill than I have, a bit more patience than I have, and a better turntable than I have, because it is about making precise, perfect, non-jerky motions with the thing, having good lighting and all that stuff, which I spent about 30 seconds scanning each object on an old microwave platter, so the quality was not exactly the best in the world. However, I find this thing absolutely hilarious. I love Mittens with the chonky mech arms on it and these weird car feet on Henry and all that, so I think it's pretty great. Anyways, if you like this video and enjoy the slow path to insanity by a moronic maker, then maybe you'll want to consider subscribing. I have some other cool videos you can check out, or maybe there'll be some in the future. Who knows? Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.